Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by equipping the actual goggles, open the interaction menu, go to Inventory, then Accessories and select Night Vision. Do this on the ground. Once worn, the effect will persist across many activities. Make sure you own the item before trying. If you don't, purchase it in-game or from the relevant vendor. Wear them now. The reason is simple. Entering the jet after you're already wearing them avoids cockpit rendering quirks that strip the filter. Once done, get into the jet immediately and eyes on the instruments. Your night vision should remain active in most aircraft cockpits. If it doesn't, toggle the goggles off and on again via the interaction menu. This forces the game to reapply the shader. Make sure to adjust HUD brightness and gamma. Night vision can wash out contrast. Lower HUD brightness to see ground targets clearly. This step explains why toggling resets the visual state and fixes common cockpit clipping. To finish, confirm the NV effect while flying low and scanning the ground. Maintain it by avoiding interior transitions that reset visuals. If it vanishes, land safely, exit the jet, re-equip the goggles, then reboard. That usually forces the game to reapply the effect. If problems persist, switch session or restart the mission to reload shaders. Also check mods or graphics post-processing that might block the NV filter. Disabling them explains why the visual would fail and result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.